A fully automatic lollipop production line integrates advanced automation and precision engineering to deliver high-quality candy treats efficiently. The process begins with the preparation of flavored syrup, which is heated to a precise temperature for optimal consistency. The syrup liquid is deposited into pre-designed mold cavities, where sticks are automatically inserted. After cooling and solidifying, the lollipops undergo rigorous quality checks to ensure uniform shape, color, and stick placement. Automated packaging systems wrap each lollipop in hygienic materials, preserving freshness and extending shelf life. Ideal for confectionery manufacturers, this system ensures consistent quality while minimizing waste and labor costs.